Maganda kausap. Okay, good evening everyone. Muli tayo nagbabalik para sa labang ito. Third quarter. Out of bounds, white ball. Hey, shout out. Foul. Number 14. Hoy, seryoso? Number 14, Rashad. Jumong General, no good. There's a foul. Number 14. Ayan, lumalaki na naman ang lamang ng YDM. Jumong, bounce pass, number 8, no. No good. Uy. There's a foul.
Isa pa, huwag mo na kasi kayong pumasok hanggang hindi magkamatama ang bola sa ring. Shoot for two, basket.
First shot, second shot is good.
Rivera, pinapatayan ka na tayo po. Rivera, 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 Rivera.
Seconds violation. Time remaining 7 minutes and 16.
Number 25.
Oh! Easy, 2 points. Tama na. Number 91, pass to General. Let's go. General shaking. Oh, stop and pop. No good. Iba by people, but there's a foul.
Second personal foul. 30 foul.
Bola rito ng YTM. Uy, 5-6 seconds. Rivera. Kick out.
5 minutes.
That's 6 seconds. 8 seconds na lang. Bola rito ng Black EM.
Paso number 91. Number 91.
Number 91, Diriscarte.
91.
Pass. Oh, steal. Basket. By jersey number 11.
Paso number 8. Number 8. Steal number 11. Paso number 16. Number 16. Number 16. 16. Paso number 11. Ang ganda na naman ang paso mo. Good. Rebounding. 14. Paso 91.
Easy, 2 points by jersey number 91.
Take 5.
Change 5. 38-51. Lamang pa rin po ang white team.
Pasok isa. Pasok. Pasok isa. Pasok.
36 lang daw po. Ayan, 38. Ayan, lagay na. Kala ko 36 pa rin eh. Alright, back to the ball game. 4 minutes and 52 seconds. Rally shot, no.
Walang yaka.
Wala pa rin. There's a foul.
Number 4. Fourth personal foul. Third personal foul.
The shots missed the first basket. Second shot for the white team. Basket is good. 52-38.
Paso Bosco. Bosco. Paso number 24. Number 24.
Oh, there's a foul.
Number 9.
Foul, jersey number 9.
Second personal foul. Second team foul.
First shot is
Basket
good.
muna for Bosco. Ni number 24.
Second shot, missed, and rebound, number 24, wala pa rin. And white ball.
Magawat Kiki, kunin ko na. At nagdagabi sa'yo, magawat. Luciano! Luciano! Steal! Number 20! Paso number 20 muna pamadali! Paso na!
Ooh, there's a foul.
63!
Number 63.
First personal foul! First 30 foul!
First shot is good for Robin Romero.
Number 1, gawin ko. Wala na si Ulo ng yan.
Second shot for Robin. Basket.
Basket. Pass to Jim.
Tama yung score, pre. Oh, steal. Oy, ganda ng pass, ano? What a nice behind the back. Pass to Robin Romero. 43 lamang daw ang ating official. 43-52.
People pa rin. People na mababa ng bola. People pa rin. People pass to Jin. 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 Pass to Luciano. Luciano. Easy to work by Luciano.
Nice move for Luciano. Pass to Robin. Good extra pass. Short niya lang. People, jump shot in and out. Natin. Number 24, wala. Foul number 6. That's time natin. Time out daw, time out. Time out. White team, time remaining 1 minute and 49 seconds. Time out muna ang white team. Natin ang kanilang huddle.
Remaining time 1 minute and 49 seconds.
1 minute and 49 seconds on the game clock. 43-56. Shooting the line, jersey number 23. 22 rather. Wala.
Basket.
Shot is good. 57-43.
Number 24. Pass to natin. Natin. Nag-iisip. Pass to Romero. Romero. Foul. Foul number 15. First personal foul. 14 foul. Good. Pass to natin. Natin. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Pass to Jim. 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 Pass to
There's a foul by Rosales. And that's a penalty.
Penalty. Grabe yung iman doon. Force kuko. Kita-kita yan.
First shot is good.
Totoo. Pangalawa. Second ball. Second ball. Romero.
5:58.
Number 24. Number 24. 15 seconds.
Oopsie, bad
Out
pass.
of bounds. Black ball. 30 seconds.
Last 40 seconds. Romero, too strong. Uy, what a pass. Fake, drive, gets the contact, no? And a rebound, wala pa rin. Isa pa.
Penalty.
That's a foul, number 6.
Third personal foul.
Time remaining last 15 seconds.
No good.
First shot, no good. Second shot, basket.
Pass to Velosa. Velosa. Iniwan lahat. No good rebound. Number 24. On 2 seconds.
Oh.
1 second. 1 second. Huwag mo patayin kasi.
24. Block now, block. 1 seconds. Let's go. 1 seconds. Oh, step in. Ay, pagkakatamira. Ang puti. Last 1.3 seconds. Is it a catch and shoot for the white team? Ayan na. Oy! Oh my goodness! Counted ba, pare? Counted? Hindi natin ang decision. Counted? Counted ba? Hindi. Basket. Okay, basket count. Wow, what a buzzer beater. For, ano ba na, pare? Ed Paul?
62.
Ayan. 61.
Bahala na kayo kung sino may alam.
Ayan, shoutout mo na. You know? Ang ating mga official. Ayan, shoutout sa inyo mga idol. Okay, back to the ball game. 45-61 in favor of the white team. Ayan, maraming salamat po kay Sir Jumong General. Ayan, sa kanilang pag-release sa akin para i-cover up ang ano lang laban. Let's go for the black team. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol ang ating pambato. Black team. Shoutout muna kay Kyle Kyle Siqueira is watching. Bola rito ng white. Let's go.
Wait na, Rick.
Four seconds, shot clock to shoot. 9:33. All right, 9:40. Okay, game. Back to the ball game. 4 seconds shot clock to shoot. Papawas pa. And binigay sa corner. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by Rosales. Pass to Robin. To Sir Jumong. Jumong drop pass and score. Bang! 3-point for the white team. 64-47. Sergio Mong to number 14. Wala.
Number 25. Then there is the shoot. Number 25. Number 25. Steve. By number 13. Pass to number 12.
Too strong.
Pass to. Steve by number 12.
Romero. 64-49. Oras, dapat yung oras gumagalaw. Ano gumag? Oh, that's a trouble. Official timeout. Ayun na, mahabol na. Oh. Timeout, lock team. Idol. Timeout. Timeout daw muna ang block. 51-64. 7 minutes and 21 seconds remaining. Okay, back to the ball game. Steal by Sergio Mong. Fake General and gets the foul. On the free throw area, General. Jersey number 13, Jumong. 7 minutes and 12 seconds, idol. First shot is good. 52-64.
Magpapanapit sa tao.
Wala. And steal. Over Somera. Oh, and it's 3 seconds violation. General basket. Oh, good. Nice move by official timeout. Ayan na, umahabol na, single digit for the black team. Timeout muna. Ang official timeout. Wala, sorry. Timeout, white team. Sixty-four, 56, 8-point lead for the white team. With the time remaining, 6 minutes and 27 seconds. Humahabol ang block. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola rito ng block. Number 63. Running shot. Oh, no basket. Panthers sa foul. That is first team foul for the black team. Six minutes and 20 seconds. White ball. 10 seconds to shoot at the post, number 63. And double team. Oh, that's a 24-second shot clock violation. Bola rito ay nakablock. What a drop pass. Romero, no goal. Block by Robin, good. General, what an extra pass, catch and shoot, no good. Number 24, short. And rebound. Walang tawag, rebound. And steal by Romero. Pass to number 81. Oh! In and out. By jersey number 91. But there's a foul for the white team. Number 24, graduate. Number 11, Or 91, shooting for 2. Oh, and basket. Ayan na. Up. No good. And rebound. Number 63. Number 63, running shot. No. Rebound by people. Right. Uy, naanin ko na. Oh, what there's a foul. And the one by jersey number 22. Bonus shot for a 3-point play. Basket is good. Ayun na, balik sa 10 ang lamang ng mga nakaputi. Uy, there's a foul. That is third team foul for the white team. Field by number 63. Number 63, inuubos ang oras. Naninigurado na si number 63. Pero mahaba-haba pa to. 10 seconds to shoot. Crossover, nakalusot. Ayun na, diretso. Nakalusot si number 63. Ayun na, nagmamadali. Siya natin. Kick out. General, wide open. No. Rebound by number 9. Here we go, the white team. Didiskarte. Pass number 9. Number 9. Stop and pop. No good. Rebound. And gets the foul. Time remaining 3 minutes and 57 seconds on the free throw area, number 22. Two shots. First shot is good. 70-57. Second shot again. Ayan na, in and out. Rebound by Robin. Romero, diretso. Running shot and one. And a basket count plus a foul by Romero. Romero, third. Oh, wala. Ayan na, malapit na tayo sa dulo. Number 22. Didiskarte. Uy! Para fake. Oy! Kick ball. Time remaining 3 minutes and 34. Time out muna rito ang Black Team. With official score is 59-70. Ayan na. Tingnan muna natin ang huddle ng Black. Shoutout. Ang pinakapogi lang. Barangay Maytunas. Shoutout kay Kagawad Astillero. Ayan, mabuhay ka, Kagawad. Siyempre, shoutout kay Cap. Ryan Siquera at sa Barangay Council and siyempre sa staff na rin na bumubuo ng ating liga rito sa Barangay Maytunas Chairman's Cup 2026. Ayun na, sino kayang nanalo ngayon sa ating first game? Malalaman natin yan. Oh, and a steal by Rosales. Diretso, sidestep. Oh, and gets the foul. Uy, binagapa si Idol. There's a foul, number 11.
Shoot for 2.
Shooting for two by number 15. First shot, no. Time remaining 3 minutes and 26 seconds. Second shot. Wala. Oy, walang tawag. And a rebound ng white team. Counter pass. Ooh, and steal by Romero. Romero wide open. No. There's a foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 35, penalty. White team under penalty situation. Hey, shout out. Luciano. Second shot for Jumong. Basket. 60-70. Basket na naman, 2 for 3. Substitution. Black, but there's a foul by Jumong. That is first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Let's see.
Wala ka. Warning wala.
Okay. 14-second shot clock to shoot. Bola ng nakaputi. Number 63. Number 25. Oh, nakalusot si number 25. Balik ulit sa 11 ang lamang. General, cross-court pass. Number 91 for 3. In and out. Rebound. Oy, that's a foul. Number penalty. Number 14, Sequeira on the free throw area. First shot, bam! Ayan na. Last ba? No? Uy! Another steal by Sequeira. Oh, what a nice. Oh, nakakagawan nga lang. Cross-court pass, number 63. Drive, one-hand shot. Basket. Last 2 minutes. Natin laban. Romero, stop and pop for 3. No. Rebound, General. No good. Another rebound. Pass to Robin. Basket for Robin. Romero. Lamang na 10 ang mga laputi. Wala. People, up and under. Nakalusot naman. Si People. All the way. No good for General. Sayang yan. Let's go, bawi. Lush. That's Bibera. Bibera, binigay sa elbow. Back to Bibera. 10-second shot clock. Bibera. Up and under. 2 people. People miss. Rebound. Number 22. Binigay sa corner. Wide open. No. Rebound by Romero. And a steal. Number 11. Last 36 seconds. Inuubos ang oras ng mga nakaputi. Stop and pop. Number 9. Easy 2 points. Oh, bad pass again. At dito na po, inuubos ang oras, last 12 seconds. At dito na po nga, nagtatapos ang ating laban. Our final score, 78-64. Congratulations for the white team. And nice game para sa ating black team. Sayang, kinapos lang tayo sa dulo. Hey, congrats, idol, mga white. Ayan. Hanggang sa muli, magkita-kita po tayo for our next live. Hanggang good night, everyone. And shoutout po kay Sir Jumong General and our best player of the game, number 63. Hanggang sa muli. Ayan, thank you, sir. Ayan, shoutout kay Coach Sir Jumong General. Alright. Good night, everyone. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.